Hey guys, Rob from Highlift Off-Road. RSI has a really big announcement. We kind of heard about it through the different channels about 6 months ago that they were going to revamp their kitchen. They have, and it is much more user-friendly now, and it has some really cool features that we're going to go over with you guys right now. Now this is a kitchen that is currently on a Toyota Tundra, but it is the same kitchen that is available for the Jeep Gladiators, which we've already done a spot on in the past. Be smart. It's hot. As you can see, it looks completely different. They've done away with the glassware, they've done away with the burner stovetop and everything else, and they've come to this new modular design. Still has your cutting board in it, but you have the ability to take the actual stove out and set it on a table. So now you can put it on your table, you can cook. Goes great with the RSI table. We all know that. But you don't have to worry about this being up here. I'm 6'4", and on a non-lifted vehicle, this is at chest height. It makes it very difficult to do any kind of functional cooking with it. With the ability to take it off and set it on a table or put it on a tree stump or wherever you're at, makes it all the difference. They did away with the glassware, like I said, and they've gone to a stainless steel tumbler. Keep your beverages cold, keep your beverages warm, not gonna break. Don't have to worry about it when you're off-road, if you're out there camping. Kid comes by, knocks it off the chair, it's gonna be just fine. They've revamped the storage a little bit, they've changed the utensils up. My thing that I like a lot is they've given us a spot to actually store the propane tanks. The previous one had the hose and everything, but it didn't give you anything to store the tank. So you're constantly having to keep it in the back, strap it down, secure it. Now you got your 1 pound tanks, they slide right in, they fit, they're secure, they're ready to go. Really impressed with this. Have a version that goes with the new bed replacement. We're gonna walk over and we're gonna show you that one as well. Really cool design aspect that they have coming out. All right guys, this is the new bed replacement system that RSI has, but this is the kitchen option for it. I wanted to give you guys a view of just exactly what all it comes with now. All the offerings in here are the same ones as your bin kitchen, but it's just a different option, a little more visible for us to be able to take a look at and just see how easy it is to kind of set it down and set it up to be able to cook and everything with it. So that's the big functionality of the new kitchen design versus the old one where it was attached. As far as this bed replacement system, we've been told this thing is ready to go and available for quite a few different applications so far. As you can see, it gives all kinds of different functionality to your vehicle. You have the built-in storage bins. You have the locking tie-down straps on the inside. You have the ability with the MOLLE panels to secure stuff. You have pass-through from both sides. There's an additional option on it where you can run it as just a flatbed. You don't have to have the max top on it, or the SmartCap XL as they call it. You also have the ability for a drop side. Currently, these are available for the mid-size trucks only, the Chevys, so the Colorado and the Tacomas. As you can see, these are both Colorados outfitted with them, but the drop side gives you that functionality that is so needed in some of the more utilitarian style trucks that people are using. You know, you have the ability to drop these sides down and load a skid straight in. You have the ability to tie stuff down wherever you need it. You also have, again, you can add the kitchen module to it. So another really cool option that's coming out from RSI, and with that new plant in Texas, we just can't wait to see what they have to bring to the table going forward.